Hello world, I'm Kevin and this is my CS50P final project. I've made an Instagram followers analyzer. For the GUI, I made use of the tkinter library, which is an inbuilt library that comes with Python itself. So you feed in your followers and followings list, and the application shows you the followers not following you back, the users that you don't follow back, and the users not following you back. Alright, so I'm gonna run Python project.py. Right, so here's the interface. I paste in my followers list over here and my followings list over here. So Instagram allows you to download your followers and following information, and it sends it to you via email. Here's my followings list. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Here's my followings list. Copy and paste, and I'm going to click on analyze. Right, so here are the users I don't follow back, and here are the users not following me back. So I'm going to make a few changes. I'm going to add James and Kevin in my followers list, and I'm going to add David in my followings list. Click on analyze, and here we go. Users I don't follow back are James and Kevin. Let me add James over here as well so that I follow him back, and click on analyze again. Right, so here are the users I don't follow back, and here are the users not following me back. Alright, thank you world, and thank you CS50.